Hey everyone, it's Dr. Goto with Freedom, and I'm here to talk to you today because I know a lot of us suffer from people saying, "Hey, IBS, it's all in your head." And I have patients come to me and they say, my doctor, he just said it's all in my head, and that's what I got. He said, "Here, take these medications." They're some type of medication for psychological problems, an antidepressant, anti-anxiety, and people are just medicated to death trying to solve their IBS. Now, let's kind of think through this algorithm. Let's think together. How in the world can we figure out how do we get rid of our IBS and differentiate? Is it actually mental stress? Are we causing our own IBS through our mental thoughts? Or is it not part of that? And when I'm working with IBS patients, what I have found is if we can do testing for hormones and the adrenal hormones, we can figure out if those patterns are completely messed up. Let's say their cortisol or their estrogen, progesterone levels, or testosterone, all these things are completely messed up. Potentially, it is not their mental thoughts that are creating these symptoms of IBS, but it's other stressors on our body. What if your progesterone is too low and your inflammation in your body is extremely high and you just feel terrible all the time? What if your estrogen is way too high and you have, polycystic ovary disease or something like that causing stress on your body and causing your blood sugar to be crazy? Or what if your circadian rhythm of kind of how your adrenal stress hormones are supposed to be in the morning, they're supposed to be very high when you wake up. Get up, get ready, get your day going. And then throughout the day, the adrenal stress hormones kind of go down. Why? Because you're getting ready for bed. You're calming down. That's really supposed to help you out. So, how in the world do we differentiate all this between is it really in my head or is it not? First thing I would do, I would check adrenal stress hormones, and then I would check another hormone panel. If you're male or female, it'd be female hormone panel, male hormone panel, and just to see where can we start. And this is a great start. Check these types of things in your blood work. You can do saliva tests. I'm not a huge fan of the salivary cortisol test, so I like to do blood or urine for that. But overall, if we can differentiate, is it really in my mind? Or is it really coming from some other thing in my body that's messed up? So that way, next time you go to your doctor and say, "Look, this doctor tested all these things. Look at this page. My hormones were completely messed up. You missed it. It's not all in my head." If we would get these things balanced, then maybe your IBS would go down significantly. I hope that helped. If you need any help, otherwise, I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Bye bye.